Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Are you concerned about one-star negative reviews for GreenPan nonstick ceramic induction cookware? In this video, I'll share GreenPan Valencia Pro features, negative reviews, fact or fiction, cooking tests, cleaning, use and care, and conclusions. Not long ago, the only induction-compatible cookware were cast iron and magnetic steel. As the popularity of induction cooking increases, so has the variety of nonstick induction cookware. For over 5 years, I used a portable induction cooktop in my videos. But aluminum cookware is not magnetic and not compatible with induction. I use my nonstick aluminum griddle to toast bread and cook a variety of foods. For years, I looked for a similar induction-compatible nonstick griddle. Nonstick stainless steel induction griddles have been around for years, but steel's thermal conductivity is much lower than aluminum. That can produce uneven heating. In August 2022, I bought a GreenPan Valencia Pro ceramic nonstick aluminum induction griddle. Unlike most aluminum induction cookware with an attached steel disc, the GreenPan griddle has an internal conductive metal layer suitable for round and square induction elements. The griddle is more expensive than similar aluminum griddles. Does the GreenPan Valencia Pro griddle's features and performance justify the cost? The griddle's large, rounded handle is ergonomic, comfortable, and prevents pressure points. Some cookware have flat handles that I find uncomfortable. What about one-star reviews that the griddle is not induction compatible? Induction cookware must be magnetic. As you can see in this magnet test, the entire bottom surface is magnetic, not just a circular area. The cooking surface is not magnetic. The outside dimensions of my aluminum griddle are 11 by 11 inches. The GreenPan griddle's inside dimensions are 11 by 11 inches. The cooking area is about 10% larger. GreenPan cookware is highly rated by several reliable sources. On Amazon.com, verified purchasers rate the GreenPan griddle 1 to 5 stars. Are the overwhelmingly negative reviews fact or fake? This 3-star review is extremely negative. As I shared in my video about online reviews and comments, verification is meaningless. Reviewers, commenters are anonymous, and most are not qualified. How can a product that's a waste of money, expensive garbage, food sticks, it won't ever come clean, and I'd like to throw it out of an airplane or off a cliff, be rated 3 stars? So how true is you can't cook pancakes and it won't ever come clean? After 10 years of use, I do not use oil or butter to cook these foods. GreenPan, like other manufacturers of nonstick cookware, recommend using a little oil or butter. For this video, all foods will be cooked without added oil or butter. Another tip is preheating the cookware and using low to moderate heat settings. I'm assuming moderate means medium to medium-high heat. Low to medium heat output varies with burner size. Gas burners are rated in BTU and electric burners in watts. Low to medium power output for a 3600 watt burner is not the same as a 1200 watt burner. For this griddle, the most uniform heating is achieved using the largest induction area. Medium power for a 3600 watt element is about 1800 watts. Medium for an 1800 watt portable induction cooktop is about 900 watts. As you can see, 5 on this induction cooktop equals about 285 degrees Fahrenheit. For this test, I need about 370 degrees, or setting 8. Several one-star comments are about bread not browning. A griddle is useful for browning one side. In this test, I'm looking for even browning. Sticking should not be an issue. The griddle easily browned this roll. Quesadillas are a filled brown flour tortilla. Notice the cheese that fell on the griddle. After several minutes, there's no sign of sticking, and side 1 is lightly browned. How evenly it browns depends on how much tortilla surface area is in contact with the griddle. The cooked cheese never stuck to the surface. The beaded liquid is fat from the cheese. Then there are several one-star comments about everything sticks. In this test, I'm preheating the griddle to 375 degrees and not using any oil. French toast is bread soaked in a milk and egg mixture. After cooking about 3 minutes on side 1, the toast easily released from the pan. The same with side 2. There was no issue of sticking. Like French toast, pancakes will either stick or not. Again, for this test, I'm not using any oil or butter. There was no sticking, and this pancake is obviously well browned. The same with my second pancake. As you have seen, oil or butter was not required to prevent pancakes and French toast from sticking. One-star reviews about everything sticks are either fake or the people writing them have no clue how to cook. My test verified the griddle is induction compatible, and after more than a dozen uses, there are no scratches. What about the negative reviews regarding cleanup and discoloration? As I've shown, cooked-on cheese neither stuck nor left any residue. In my test, a damp, soapy sponge easily cleaned the griddle cooking area. Always allow the griddle to cool before cleaning. There was no need for crazy cleaning methods. I have no idea why melted cheese should leave permanent black stains after only one use. Like most cookware manufacturers, the marketing hype on the package does not always live up to actual use. Like nonstick coatings, hard enough to use metal utensils, hand mixers, and sledgehammers. The use and care manual clearly recommends using plastic utensils to extend the coating's life. Using plastic, not metal utensils, applies to all nonstick coatings. For people who do not read manuals, a sticker on the pan has the same recommendation. Preheating before cooking helps reduce sticking. Like all nonstick cookware, cooking with low to medium heat extends the coating life. While using a little oil or butter is recommended, as I've shown, you can cook some foods without added fat. Cleanup is easy if you do not have burned-on cooking spray. My testing indicates the GreenPan Valencia Pro non-stick induction-compatible griddle is as good or better than my anodized griddle. I cannot say the nonstick surface is superior since I'm comparing it to a 10-year-old griddle. Like most induction-compatible cookware, heat distribution is not as uniform as solid aluminum, but the results were acceptable. Initial published reports indicate nonstick PTFE cookware outlasts ceramic cookware. So how well the nonstick finish performs after years of use is to be determined. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching, and healthy eating.